So, dear students, today we will discuss about algebraic expressions. So, what are algebraic expressions and why we need algebraic expression? So, in this topic, first of all, we will discuss about power of literal numbers. Power of literal numbers. So power of literal numbers. First of all, what are literal numbers? So when English alphabet are used to represent numbers, so they are called literal numbers. Now it is power of literal number. In integers, we have also discussed about the power of integers. So in the same way here we will discuss about the power of literal numbers. Suppose we have a sphere and the side of sphere is that is a centimeter. And if we find the area of the sphere, then what is the area? So that is area of sphere, we write the formula side multiply side. So what is side here? That is a centimeter multiply a centimeter. So what is this? How many times we have multiplied a? We have multiplied a 2 times. So we will write a square. It is a square. It is a square. And what are unit here? That are centimeter. So a square centimeter. So if we find the volume of the cube, so we know that if the edge of the volume, suppose we have edge of volume that is x centimeter, and if we find the volume, so that is edge multiply edge multiply edge. So it is a formula because cube has 3 sides, length, breadth and height. So all the sides are equal. So edge multiply edge multiply edge. So how many times we have multiplied? That is x multiply x multiply x. So that is x cube centimeter. X cubic centimeter we can say that. So here 3 is the power and x is the base. Here 2 is the power and a is the base. So it is called the power of literal numbers. Here a is the literal number and 2 is the power. Here x is the literal number and 3 is the power of this literal number. Now suppose if it is written like this, 3x whole cube and 3x cube. Now question arises, are they same? So now what is the meaning of 3x cube? So it means 3 raised to power 3 and x raised to power 3. So it is 3x multiply 3x multiply 3x. And here is 3x cube. The power of x is 3 and the power of 3 is only 1. So it is 3 multiply x multiply x multiply x. So it is the difference between these two. So if we have written like this, 5x raised to power 5x square, and now it is 5x square, then what is the meaning? So meaning of this is it is 5x multiply 5x because both 5x are in bracket and the power is 2. So this means 5 has power 2 and x has also power 2. But here is only 5x square. So 5, the power of 5 is that is 1 multiply and power of x square is power of literal number, we can say that is x multiply x. Is it clear? So it is a difference if the power is like this and if the power is like this. So next we have variables and constants. Variables and constants. Now, what is the difference between variable and constant? Variable mean vary. Vary mean not have fixed value. Suppose if we write the temperature of the day, is it remain same all the day? No. In the morning it is different, in the afternoon it is different, in the evening it is also different. So the temperature in a day, that is the example of variable. And what is the example of constant? If how many days are there in the month of January? That is fixed, 31. How many days in a week? That are also fixed. How many days? And week has 7 days. So these are the examples of constant. Constant have fixed value. But variables have not fixed value. The temperature of the body, that is also the example of a variable, because the value is not different. An example of constant, things in a dozen, that are 12. 1 dozen equal to 12 things, that is the example of constant. How many things are there in one score? That are 20, that is also the example of constant. So this is the difference between variables and constant. Constant have fixed value, but variables have not fixed value. So what is the definition? A quantity which does not change its value is called constant. Mean we cannot change the value of constant, but a quantity which change its value is called a variable. So suppose here are some examples. The number of hours in a day, the number of months in a year, the number of seconds in an hour are all the examples of constant, because they always remain the same. But the length and breadth of a rectangle, it may be different of any size. So this is the example of variable. The side of a square, it may be big square, it may be small square. So value does not, it has different value. Or these are examples of variables. So is this clear? So what is the difference between constant and variable? Constant have fixed value, simple, and variable not have fixed value. Their value may be vary. Vary mean different. Vary ऊपर नीचे कुछ भी हो सकता है. Next we have coefficient. So what is coefficient? Coefficient mean multiplier. If we write 5x, so this means 5 is the coefficient of x and x is the coefficient of 5. So the meaning of 5x is 5 multiply x. So this multiply is called coefficient. So what is the coefficient of x here? That is 5. And what is the coefficient of 5? That is x. If we will write 7y. So what is the coefficient of y? That is 7. And what is the coefficient of 7? That is y. So this is called coefficient. Next, numerical coefficient. So what is numerical coefficient? If I write 7p, so here we have two parts. This part is called numerical part and this part is called literal part. So 7 is the numerical part and P is the literal part. So because P is the English alphabet. So what is the numerical coefficient of P here? That is 7. So numerical coefficient is here 7. And what is the literal coefficient? That is P. Here